Hello everybody, Steve from Steve's TV again. Here we are, still working on the 53 Chevy delivery van. She's proven to be a challenge for us, but you know, we're gonna get it. So here we are now, we're taking the old motor out and we got the new motor off of the old chassis. So we're just gonna get the old motor out here today so we can see what we're gonna do to lay the new motor in. And again, it's been quite a challenge. So we're gonna proceed along. Watch.
We're gonna spin it.
Yeah. Okay, go for it. Hold on. Okay.
Try standing on that. Stand on the end of that.
You insinuate from that.
Oh, yep. Don't. Yeah, there you go. Hand on
Got
the.
that on video, huh?
Hand on the cradle.
Hi everybody. Steve's trying to kill himself today.
There we go. Just want to level it out.
All right, I'm
You know what
done,
I'm saying?
baby. Let's go.
We're not gonna hit anything, right?
I'm looking, and it's not looking good. It's looking good, got it. Let's see. Whoa, keep coming. You're good.
Okay.
Keep coming. Somehow we're gonna do this.
All right. Well, basically, we gotta pull that chain over there. We gotta pull these legs straight, so this can come backwards.
Let me see what I can do. If this isn't hillbilly engineering, people, nothing is.
Put your hand on the chain.
Chain, okay. Chain gang, baby.
You gotta move. Yep.
There it is.
So once it dip down nose-wise, so basically stand on that and try to get it. Turn it.
Right, let's put it up. Keep going. It's okay, keep going. Little funny noises, alright.
All right, now it's gonna get pulled that way towards you, Steve.
Yep.
Turn.
Gotta go a little higher.
A little higher.
Yep. Wow. Look at that, everybody, huh? Not bad for hillbilly Steve. Alright.
Try turning it, Steve. Other way.
Alright, just push my finger. Hold on. That's fine, I can go. I got the shirt in the way.
All right, gotta pull the legs.
Alright,
Excellent.
that's good.
One more slight pull, Todd.
Little tag.
Good, right there.
Alright, man. Yeah, huh? She's a beauty, but no longer.
We're not gonna roll. No, that one's loose. Whichever one is turned, we need to turn that one the other way. Oh, is it up? Yeah. Straight?
No. The other thing is we're gonna catch on this drive shaft. We're not careful, it's right underneath us. Let me see, I'm gonna need a heavier hammer. I'll tell you, I'm very disappointed in this freaking engine. Very disappointed in it.
You know what we need next time. Right there. Turn it again. Push it or
to you. This leg. You're gonna have to push it back in there.
Try it.
Can I get this? I'm holding you. I got this off the screen.
Yep.
Alright.
Now if you move the drive shaft forward to get it so it doesn't get caught up again. That's it. Now we go straight back to what the pump. Reinstall this. Let's get just pretty dangerous. Turn it. Go down. Real heavy. Yep. That's what we want. Right there. Beautiful. Ah.
How'd that go? You feeling alright? I think I pulled every muscle in here out, but I'm fine. Good job, Ben.
Thank you.
It's out. Right. They generally pull them out with the trannies hooked up to them?
You have to.
Yes. So.
It is kind of sketchy.
We'll pull this over here. Get a little bit.
Yeah, we do that.
Right,
Because when it goes off to the side like that, all the weight is off to the side of the thing, and it wants to bend it off.
I'm back. Okay, so we managed to extract this motor from here, and we have a good solid chassis to work with. Nothing in here is rotted or it needs anything more than a good steam cleaning, and we're going to be able to put the new motor in there very easily, we hope. We had a lot of fun getting this one out. If you guys have any suggestions as to how crazy we were, and you want to tell us maybe what we did right or wrong, we did get it out. There it is. And we're going to take the bell housing, the tranny, because it's 4-speed, and we're going to put it on that motor over there. That's going to be the new one. And then this one here is going to go visit the scrapyard. And then over here, of course, we've shown you this one. But here is the new replacement motor that we took off of that chassis over there. And I'm going to prep this up, paint it, get it ready to install. We had it running, so we know it runs. She's not stuck. So with that in mind, we're done for today. We've had a lot of fun. Again, comments are appreciated. If you'd like the video, hit the like button. If you'd love to subscribe, we'd love you to subscribe. And what else can I tell you? Subscribe, bells, and likes. Thank you.